Cosmic update, and it's the last day of the Blue Eagle creation wave, and we are already in Moon 5. Hello, everybody. I'm back. This was a crazy last 13 days. Blue Eagle, it's all about vision. It's about seeing your life mosaic and then put yourself in the center and see what happens. And oh my God, today we arrived at tone 13, so the end of the Blue Eagle. And the end of the Blue Eagle is coming, bringing us to blue hand energy. And it's all about openness. It's about seeing where we are, what we have accomplished until now, and having seen the bigger picture and the vision, and to see what we still need to release to be able to manifest that vision, was pretty intense. With all the astrology and Mercury retrograde still until the 29th, Saturn, I mean, many aspects were crazy all together. And yes, all together in Moon 5, which is how do I best empower myself? So it's an interesting question because for me, Moon 5 is connected to my tone 5. And so I was born on a tone 5. And so my question is, how do I best empower myself? And that is for me by being a yellow human. And it's the sage, it's the one who is focusing and all her attention, and it's also about knowing that we are the creators of our own reality. My service is unconditional self-acceptance, white dog, and my form, as you all can see and know, is blue monkey. It's about play, it's about humor, it's about this playfulness, this enthusiasmus that I can bring, because there lies the magic. Because we all know when we are deep in our things and we don't see where we are going, like me yesterday, last afternoon, I wanted to say, I had no energy. I had to just sit with me because I felt so much was happening inside of me. And yesterday it was Wide World Bridger, and it's all about letting go. So it was asking me, just stay quiet, Heidi, don't do anything, or just be everything and stay with what you feel. And then when it's there, you can see it, you can feel it, and you can allow it, and then you can decide what to do with this. And so it took me a couple of hours before everything in myself became really still, quiet. And then suddenly there was this aha moment. These are the best moments of my life. And then this morning, when I went to the dentist, I was driving and more was coming. I started to laugh because what I was seeing was, Heidi, it's like sometimes you feel like you're living four lives at the same time in one life. And you are studying the Etruscan culture. You're so into where you live, what the culture was, and what did these people do. You're studying the Mayan mathematic calendar and how they went with time and how this is influencing your life path and your solar seal and your soul path, so to speak. And at the same time, you're studying Jung and animus, anima, the male and the female energies inside of us and how they collaborate at the same time. You're guiding couples, you're guiding people who really don't see it clear at this moment. They are in the chaos, and you guide them into clarity with all the things you put together in your unique way of working and unique way of being a guide. And more, I feel that this is meant to be. I mean, I'm studying all of this because I probably already did that in a previous life, but like 4 or 5 lives that I was doing before, but actually all of them, but these were the main ones, like are coming all together. And all of this wisdom I try to remember and align in myself on how I really want to share more about all this knowledge, wisdom, and how, especially how to integrate this in a normal way. I mean, in a lifestyle, in a daily quality of lifestyle that is really serving us right now. Because of the chaos outside, it's super important to stay aligned inside, and that's why I believe I have this amazing drive to study all of this, to put it all together, and to find a simple way of practicing this on a daily basis, and then to be able to share this with all of you. So bear with me. I'm really like sometimes exploding, and then this aha moment on how will I put this all together and how will I practice this on a daily basis for myself. And then but step by step it's coming. It's coming how I want to continue to share more of all of this wisdom that is really contributing to a more harmonious daily quality of life. And so it will be with a lot of magic, a lot of humor, because this is just me. And in the meantime, I am busy with accepting all of these crazy pieces of the puzzle of myself, because I'm trying to integrate the full version of me in one alignment. And that's sometimes really crazy. So this was these last 13 days for me. Blue Eagle vision, looking at my full life mosaic and actually all these aspects of myself, and how to realign all of this and accepting the unique human being that I am and that every one of us is, because it's only by putting all of our talents and all of our uniqueness and accept all these combinations in ourselves that we can also collaborate and co-create with each other, because we are all unique human cosmic beings, actually very interdimensional. So it's up to me to continue my journey and to continue to share with all of you. So stay tuned, and stay tuned with yourself. Tomorrow we move into my birth creation wave, and it's a yellow star. So it's a kind of 9 months we are birthing this yellow star path, because it's the end of the Tzolk'in, it's the end of the 260 days. So it's the last creation wave of the 20 creation waves that we go through in the Tzolk'in. So 13 times 20, so 20 times 13. And so it's one to celebrate, because yellow star, it's where everything is coming together, and it's how everything can come together in a harmonic way for us, for you, everybody personally. You can look back at your last 9 months and then see what you birthed actually in the upcoming 13 days. So that's why I wanted to come out and share with you this wonderful news. So stay conscious, stay aligned, and stay tuned. Because on a global level, on a collective level, we are moving really in something beautiful. So stay aligned, because then we can all see it also, and we can all feel it, and we can all feel how each one of us can contribute by being their completely unique self and be grounded and aligned with all these energies in ourselves. Have a great day, and we will talk again very, very soon.